Oh wow! Such beautiful and wealthy trees. But we can have luxury life if we cut down all these trees. We can have buildings, factories, malls, infrastructure, etc. Who cares about the trees? Now the wood is all mine and I can use it in many ways. I would cut all the trees. And here I will build highways.
சாந்திரி பாடிடும் பாடலே மரமெல்லாம் மனிதராய் ஆடுதே புல் பூண்டுகள் பூச்சிகள் பட்சிகள் சொந்தமாய் வழியெல்லாம் மாறுதே ஓடையா ஓடினா சேரலாம் கடலையே யாதுமாய் வாழ்வதால் நீங்களாம் உடலையே
I am a tree, I give you fruits. I am a tree, I give you medicine. I am a tree, I give you oxygen. I am a tree, I give you environment.
Oh my God, I made a big mistake. I have destroyed the future generations' health and wealth. Friends, please do not cut trees. Protect our trees. We Acharyans already did it. Now it's your turn. Save our nature.
Wow, beautiful children, lovely.